and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I have a box here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Please. And thank you in advance. And this is from Lunar Beauty, and it is my Lunar Beauty mystery box. Yay! I'm so excited to have it. And it's got my information on this side, so I'm not going to show you that side. Let's just get in here. I've heard that it's really good. I've heard that this is a good box. And I got the small box. I can't remember if it was Mars or Mercury or Venus, what have you. But it does say Lunar Beauty. And it's got some bubble wrap, which is lovely. Oh! And the first thing I have is some brushes from Lunar Beauty. And these look like some great... Ooh, this is a double-ended brush. That's very cool. I'm not going to take the little netting off. Oh, I did took the netting off, but that's very nice. What the hell? It's a nice blush brush. That's beautiful. That one's out of the bag. And then I've got some other eye brushes. So 4 brushes in total, and these look great and they feel good. I don't like white tipped brushes because they're hard to clean. But you know, whatever. It's all cool. And I've got 3 more things left in here. I'm very excited to show them to you. And one is, it says Manny MUA and Lunar Beauty Lip Gloss. And this is in the color Mystery. Oh, I don't have any of his lippies at all. So I'm very excited to have this lip gloss. And it is a beautiful golden color. And I think he did it exclusive for here. Let's do a little swipe. That's just gorgeous. I don't feel like putting any on my lips because they're kind of freshly done. But that's beautiful. So that's a gorgeous, gorgeous lip color or lip gloss. And then we've got a liquid lipstick, which I'm really excited about. And this is in the color Perfection. Ooh, a beautiful nude. I always love a nude. And I've heard his liquid lipstick formula is fantastic. And that is almost the same color that I'm wearing, so I will totally use that. That is beautiful. So far, 10 out of 10. And then this is the part that I'm nervous about because I'm afraid I'm going to get a palette that I already have. So, I don't have this. Oh, I'm so excited because I wanted this, but I didn't pull the trigger. And it is the Moonspell Volume 2 palette, which I'm very excited about because I love the Volume 1 and the craftsmanship that goes just into the packaging alone is fantastic. And it feels good. It looks like a book. It's got the little, it looks like there's pages. And these purples. I'm keeping this, so I'm going to take that out. But look at this. I'm totally doing a look with this in the very near future. I'm tongue-tied because it's so good in the very near future. And look how beautiful that is. That is just stunning. And all the colors are other witches. There's Willow and Jillian and Sally and Cameron and Zelda and Alex and Louise and Maggie and Mel and Macy and Queenie and Marie and Agatha and Luna and Mildred and Myrtle. Very cool. He got into some American Horror Story there. So I'm very excited about this. Let's swatch a couple. I gotta see what this looks like in this purple. Let's do 3. gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is like a $50 box, and it's totally way more value than $50. And I got this beautiful Moonspell Volume 2 palette. 4 great brushes. A gorgeous nude lippy. And a gorgeous gloss. And this is definitely worth every penny, and it's probably the best mystery box I've gotten in a while. And that includes the Jeffree Star mystery box that I just got the other day, because I actually got stuff that I didn't have and that I wanted. And the other Jeffree Star box, it was okay, but it was a lot of stuff that I had. But this was actually a delight and a surprise. I'm very excited about it. Thanks so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you real soon.